Zhipu AI just released GLM-5.3, jumping to 84.5% on cybersecurity tests to beat both Anthropic and OpenAI. But there is a 2-week security catch that changes what you pay and when you can run it on your own hardware. This release lands as Z.ai scales up after their Hong Kong IPO. They built GLM-5.3 on Huawei Ascend chips, creating a massive 743 billion parameter model without relying on Western hardware. It is built for coding agents and finding hidden security bugs. Here is the under 3-minute verdict on what this means for your daily work. GLM-5.3 is now China's most dangerous open-weights threat to closed frontier models. If your team builds terminal agents or security auditing tools, it delivers senior analyst performance. On hard coding tasks, it handles deep software work without losing track of your codebase. You do not need to rebuild your pipeline. It drops directly into the Z.ai coding API with a 1 million token context window, which is massive working memory for whole code bases. In real testing, it found over 2,400 critical security bugs across hundreds of open-source projects. If your engineering stack needs automated bug fixes and security tree-off, this is an instant contender. That is the verdict in under 3 minutes. Now let us look at the verified benchmark data. Let us look at the verified benchmark numbers from the official release data. On CyberGym bug finding, GLM-5.3 scores 84.5%. That tops Anthropic's Mythos 5 at 83.8% and OpenAI's GPT-5.6 Sol at 83.6%. On DeepSWE version 1.1, measuring full software repairs, it scored 66.9%. That is a big jump from 46.2% on GLM-5.2. On TerminalBench 3.0, measuring command line agent work, it jumped from 4.6 to 28.3. Now, if you want verified technical breakdowns the same day new AI models drop, hit subscribe right now. We cut through the hype so you know what is actually worth using. On the agent's last exam CLI test, it reached 28.5. Zhipu reached this purely through fine-tuning, which means specialized post-training on Ascend chips. This proves top-tier reasoning no longer requires NVIDIA hardware. Now let us pay off the catch we mentioned at the start. While GLM-5.3 leads the world in finding bugs, its exploit creation lags behind. On ExploitBench, it scores 54.4%, trailing top frontier models by over 20 points. It is tuned for defense, not making cyber weapons. Second, although Zhipu calls this an open model, the weights are not live today. They put in a 2-week security delay before releasing the open weights. Today, you can only access it through the paid Z.ai coding plan. We track every major frontier model drop and test the numbers live so you never build your tech stack on hype. If this breakdown saved you research time, hit that subscribe button right now. Drop a comment below with your thoughts. Will you switch your coding workflows to GLM-5.3 when the weights drop, or are you staying on Claude and OpenAI? Leave a like, and we will see you in the next breakdown.